guys, it's a Monday. I know you were expecting this video yesterday, but then I didn't just want to talk to you about anything. I wanted to wait on God. I wanted to pray and just get clarity about what it is I wanted to talk to you guys about. And so yesterday I struggled. I'm like, it's Sunday, but then if I'm going to do it because it's a schedule and not because I really want to bring a message, then it will just become one of those routine things I do. But I don't want that. I want to bring a word that's going to help somebody out there. I want to bring a word that's going to change somebody's life for the better. And so after praying today as well and waiting on God, one of the things that I really just wanted to bring to us this week is literally just gratitude. And one of the things that triggered this is because I got to think about if the people that we live with, the people that we work with, if yesterday was the last time you ever spoke to them, what would have been the last memory of you and them? What would have been the last thing you had said to them? What would have been the last vibe you had with them? And I was just thinking to myself, how many times do we appreciate the people that we have? How many times do we appreciate the people around us? How many times do we just acknowledge the good things that people are doing? I think it's very oftentimes we point out the wrongs of somebody. We always say, that guy did this, that girl did this. But how many times do we just acknowledge that, this person did this for me, this person, you're good at what you do. The time you did this for me, thank you. The time you did this, I liked what you did. The time you did that thing, I was really proud of you. How many times do we just really appreciate people? And I think it's very important that we get to appreciate people for what they're doing. It could be your boss. It could be you are the boss and you have people under you. How many times do you just say, you've done a great job? And many times we pinpoint the wrong. Not that we should wait for people to applaud us. We should wait for people to praise us before we can do something. But we should just make it a habit of, motivating people. We should motivate people. We should flame goodness. We should flame greatness. We should flame kindness. We should flame things that have value. But then you find that the way people will talk about something that somebody has done, for example, a bad thing, will be louder than when somebody does a good thing. Why is that? Why is it like that? It's because we don't appreciate people. We don't like to talk about the good that people are doing. And so this week I just want to just talk to somebody and just I dare you. In fact, I double dare you to be good to somebody this week. I double dare you to just appreciate the people around you. Appreciate that person that cleans your office. Appreciate that maid that you have at home that, does your laundry, cleans the house, does the dishes. Just appreciate somebody, especially those that least expected. Not because, you're waiting for dad to give you money before you can say thank you. But how about just saying thank you to your mom for just being a great mom? How about just saying thank you to your brother for always taking care of your mess? How about just saying thank you to your workmate for always helping you out when you're stuck? How about just saying thank you to that one friend that is there to hear you sulk, to hear you vent? How about just being grateful to our parents? Because we are living in a world where so much is going on, and I just started to think to myself, if anything happened, for example, to my mom, what would be the last memory? Would I have told her just how much I appreciate her at this point? Would I have told her just how much I love her at this point? Let's make it a habit to love on people. Let's make it a habit to be grateful. Let's make it a habit to just be kind. So this week, I don't know if you've been kind these other weeks. I don't know if you haven't been, but then I just dare you this week to just, have gratitude. Today somebody gave me a lift and he was just talking about his boss, and he was like, my boss is one of the best bosses I have. And I was just trying to understand him, like, okay, where is he going with this? And he says, my boss is very understanding, and even when there's a wrong, he'll help you see where you had gone wrong and help you find a solution to it. He doesn't just boss you around. He's a leader. And he was just grateful for his boss. And I just began to wonder, like, does his boss know that this is how he thinks about his boss? And I wonder if your boss knows how you think about them. So I just want to encourage you. I just want to encourage you to just appreciate somebody. I just want to shout out to all my friends, my family members, all the people in my life. You have been really good to me. I wouldn't have asked for a better family. I wouldn't have asked for for better friends, for better sisters, Yeah, so just be nice to somebody. I love you all. Have a blessed weekend.